If you've ever wondered how to fully delete your Asana account so your data and workspace are completely removed, you're in the right place. In this tutorial, I'll walk you step by step through the entire process, and by the end, you'll know exactly how to leave Asana behind, whether you're switching to a new tool or just decluttering your digital life. Let's dive right in. So first things first, let's get Asana open. Go ahead and launch Asana in your browser, or open the desktop app if that's what you use. Take a moment to make sure you're logged into the account you want to delete. Double-check if you juggle multiple accounts for personal and work projects, just so you don't accidentally remove the wrong one. It's a simple but important first step. Now, look in the bottom left corner of your screen. You'll see your profile icon there, a small circle, usually with your initials or a picture if you've set one. Go ahead and click that. Clicking your profile icon is your gateway to all your personal settings and security options in Asana, and this is where you manage everything about your account. After you've clicked your icon, you'll see a menu pop up. From these options, you'll want to choose Settings. Sometimes there's a slight delay while the Settings panel loads, so don't worry if it takes a moment for the window to appear. The Settings section is where you can tweak your notifications, update your details, and importantly for today, access those all-important account controls. Inside the Settings window, you'll want to look for the Account tab. It's usually one of several tabs running across the top, and it directly deals with your account status, security, and personal information. Click on Account, and you'll be able to see all the essentials related to your profile. If you've ever updated your email address or checked your plan, you might recognize this part. Now, here's where the crucial part happens. Scroll all the way down to the bottom of the Account tab. You'll see a section labeled Delete My Account. It's always placed at the bottom as an extra measure so it's not clicked by accident. After all, deleting your account is permanent. Take a breath here and make sure this is really what you want. Deleting your Asana account erases your personal data and removes your access from any spaces you've contributed to. If you're a workspace owner, consider letting your team know first so you don't disrupt anyone's workflow. Ready? Click on Delete My Account. A confirmation prompt will appear, asking you to continue with the deletion. This extra step ensures you don't delete your account by mistake, a safety net in case you have second thoughts. Go ahead and click Continue with Deletion. Asana may take a few seconds to process, and once it's done, your account will be permanently removed from their servers. That's how you delete your Asana account from start to finish. If this seemed intimidating at first, I hope breaking it down step by step made it more approachable. Remember, it's totally normal to feel a bit nervous when making big changes to your digital life. If you got stuck on any step or have any questions, drop a comment below and I'll be happy to help you out. If this tutorial was useful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more straightforward tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.